In the realm of Linux desktop environments, XFCE stands as a beacon of flexibility and simplicity. This lightweight yet highly customizable platform has been a favorite among Linux users for its sleek interface and low demand on system resources. XFCE doesn't just ensure a seamless user experience, but it also offers a wide range of applications, all designed to make everyday tasks more efficient and intuitive. XFCE, short for Xform's Common Environment, was born out of the desire to provide a more user-friendly interface for Unix systems. It has grown into a full-fledged desktop environment that offers a balance between performance and visual appeal. One of the key benefits of XFCE is its modular nature. This means that users have the freedom to select and use only the components they need, ensuring a personalized and optimized user experience. Now imagine combining the power of XFCE with the versatility of Kali Linux. Kali Linux, for those unfamiliar, is a Debian-based Linux distribution designed for digital forensics and penetration testing. It offers over 600 pre-installed penetration testing programs. The combination of XFCE and Kali Linux opens up a world of possibilities for both everyday users and cybersecurity professionals. So, how does one take advantage of XFCE and Kali Linux? The journey begins with the installation process. Firstly, ensure that Kali Linux is up and running on the system. Then, open up a terminal window and input the command sudo apt-get install Kali desktop XFCE. This command will install the XFCE desktop environment onto the Kali Linux platform. Once installed, the XFCE desktop environment can be accessed via the Display Manager. During the login process, click on the gear icon and select XFCE from the drop-down menu. The system will then boot into the XFCE environment. Exploring XFCE and Kali Linux will reveal a host of applications designed to make life easier. For instance, Thunar, the default file manager for XFCE, offers a clean and intuitive interface for managing files. The XFCE terminal, on the other hand, provides a more efficient and user-friendly command line experience. Customizing XFCE in Kali Linux is a straightforward process. Right-click on the desktop and select Desktop Settings to adjust the wallpaper, icons, and other visual elements. The Settings Manager provides a centralized location for adjusting system settings, including hardware, desktop, and system configurations. To conclude, XFCE is a lightweight yet powerful desktop environment that blends well with the versatility of Kali Linux. Its modular nature allows users to customize their experience to their liking, while its range of applications ensures efficiency and productivity. The process of installing and using XFCE in Kali Linux involves a few simple steps, from installation via the terminal to customization through the Settings Manager. The combination of XFCE and Kali Linux is truly a match made in the digital world, offering a blend of performance, visual appeal, and user-friendly functionality.